Today, I'm going to discuss most crucial and important topic in marketing, and that is storytelling. आपने सुना होगा कि यार अपने ब्रांड की एक स्टोरी लेकर आओ, अपने क्रिएटिव्स आपकी क्रिएटिव स्टोरी टेलिंग होनी चाहिए, आपने अपने स्क्रिप्ट में स्टोरी टेलिंग करनी है, बट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली फ्रेमवर्क यू कैन फॉलो टू टेल अ ग्रेट स्टोरी. So my today video is revolving around how to tell a great story so that your ideal customer convinced and buy from you. So let's discuss step by step, and I will give a real life example to follow this principle. So first of all, there is a 7-step formula, 7 has to be formula, we can say, that we will follow to write a good story. So first, to tell a great story, you should have a character, and your character is your hero. And who is hero? You're not a hero. Your brand is not a hero. Your customer is a hero. Okay. So your who is a hero? Your customer. A character which your customer has a problem. He's facing some problem. So you here in this step you can discuss his problem, and then that needs guide. So what's the guide? Your brand is guide, like what steps he should follow, and that can be your website guide, that can be your creatives, and that can be your specific video part. जो एक specific video part है वो गाइड कर रहा है, आपका वेबसाइट कंटेंट यहाँ पे गाइड कर रहा है कि आपका जो डिजायर कस्टमर है वो एक प्रॉब्लम को फेस कर रहा है और उसके लिए गाइड किया है. एंड नाउ you should, or your brand should, advising him or giving them a proper plan. If your customer has a problem and he needs a guide, that is your brand, and what you are doing, you are giving them proper plan and invite to take some action. Here in this step you will discuss about what action he should take, and then help them to avoid failure. So after giving them plan, after inviting to taking some action, what is the exact failure? If he will not buy from you, अगर वो आपसे buy नहीं करेगा तो वो क्या नुकसान उठाएगा? This is what you need to discuss, and at the end you will tell, you will present your customer. If he has a problem, he needs a guide, you give them a plan and he takes an action. If he takes an action, and if he avoid some failure, and what actually success look like after meeting you or consuming your product or after taking service from you. Let's take a simple example. आप एक डेंटल केयर क्लिनिक चला रहे हैं. देयर लॉट ऑफ एग्जांपल्स. लेट्स टेक टू मेक इट इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ स्टोरी टेलिंग फार्मूला कैन हेल्प इन डिफरेंट बिजनेस निशेस. लेट्स टेक कि एक डेंटल केयर क्लिनिक है, उसका आइडियल कस्टमर क्या है, उसका करेक्टर क्या है, हीरो क्या है. उसका हीरो है उसका कस्टमर दैट इज फेसिंग सम टीथ इश्यूज. सो लेट्स सपोज हियर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, लेट्स सपोज ही इज फेसिंग, योर कस्टमर or a hero has a yellow teeth. So due to it can be due to coffee, consuming different products, or maybe some sort of sodas, or smoking. So now he has a yellow teeth. Who is this? Is facing teeth problem. What's the problem your customer is facing? Yellow teeth. And now he meets you. He was scrolling social media, and then if you are giving them a proper guide, so अगर आप एक proper creative उस तरह बनाएंगे तो वो यहाँ पे रुकेगा और यहाँ पे वो क्या करेगा, आपके ब्रांड को मिला. Stop scrolling creatives. He stops, and then after, or maybe it can be your website, after searching on Google regarding the specific problem, he went to your website, and now you should follow this principle, and then you can give them a proper plan. And plan क्या है? Plan में आप, let's suppose you can say that okay, you can get pearly white teeth in just one visit. Or if you're selling some whitening strips, so you can say after continuous use of after consuming this product in 7 days, you can get your white teeth back. So you are giving them a plan. And one visit to dental care clinic to for specific procedure, let's suppose for a Hollywood smile service. So this is the plan. You are inviting them to take a specific actions. It can be in your videos, it can be in your creative. So what's the action? Book 30 minutes free call with our specialist. Okay, so book consultation now. Get rid of this yellow teeth in just 30 days. Visit us now. So it can be any persuasive message or action. And now this is very extremely important 6th step. I will highly emphasize this one. This is very important. आप help them to avoid failure. अगर आप किसी पर्सन को ये कहें कि आप हमसे teeth whitening strips ले लें. Maybe he will not buy. Maybe he will hesitate. Why I will buy this? Okay. So but if you will tell them कि अगर आपने ये नहीं, are you facing yellow teeth problem? Are you going to weddings? आप शादी पे जाते हैं और लोग आपका मजाक उड़ाते हैं, and maybe you can not you cannot confidently laugh just because you know that you have yellow teeth. I have just put some example. You can combine it to any other niches in skincare, acne, and traveling, Airbnb. Traveler is looking for comfortable room, so you can just like connect with any brand. फार्मूला ही फॉलो होगा. उसके बाद अगर अगर आप ये कहते हैं कि बाय whitening tips from us, that's not enough. But if you here you are saying that what if you will not buy from us, this is the failure you can face. You cannot smile confidently in the gatherings, in the social gatherings. And then now after consuming your product, जब उसने आपसे खरीद लिया है, आपकी सर्विस ले ली है, so how successes look like he was facing some like issue, yellow teeth, stains on the teeth, and now what he's getting, he can confidently smile everywhere. So now his success look like, so people praise him. Oh wow, 30 days before आपकी जो smile थी, you have a yellow teeth, what you did, from where you buy this service. So that customer will also do advocacy for your clinic, and what you will get, you will get a customer lifetime value. So one customer is also recommending the others. So how it will happen, one, your customer is getting the success. So this is all you will follow. I will try to make more videos on this topic and give more examples.